This is my beautiful, beautiful paperweight. Won't start at all. So, got the keys in here. I go to start it. Watch. And get a good view here. So, pushing the button. Everything goes dark. Then it comes back on. Service anti-lock brakes. Service vehicle soon. Service fuel system. Low fuel. So the button's still green. Push it again here. Same thing, goes dark. Comes back on. And we start all over again. Turn that off or it'll kill my battery. Tried this OBD checker. I tried this in off, in accessory mode, and with the little green start button on. Won't connect. So none of these things are working. Scanner won't work. Yep, fail. Escape. So the paperweight remains. And then it just stays there. Got the battery tender on it.